powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake devastated southern Turkey and northern Syria early this morning. The death toll now stands at more than 1,900, and as Chris Mitchell reports, that is expected to rise dramatically.
Nearly 3,000 buildings in the quake zone collapsed in cities across the border region like this one. And scenes like this showed the devastation that hit the area. After the quake, teams of rescue workers and residents rushed frantically to find those trapped in the rubble. President Recep Erdogan called it Turkey's worst disaster since 1939, while Turkey mobilized its rescue services.
A devastating earthquake. All our governors are on duty now. Security forces, Turkish armed forces, disaster and emergency management teams, Red Crescent teams, and search and rescue teams from many points of Turkey.
Turkey sits on top of major fault lines and is frequently shaken by earthquakes. The quake also smashed regions in northern Syria, areas controlled by forces fighting the Syrian government, and filled with 4 million people displaced by the country's civil war. Many of them live in poor conditions with little health care. Rescue workers said hospitals were filled, and the Syrian civil defense said Syria was in a state of catastrophe with entire neighborhoods leveled. More than 40 nations pledged help. At the request of Turkey, Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu said they would immediately provide medical and search and rescue teams, some of the best in the world. Israel's Magen search and rescue team will leave today to the quake region. The team uses specialized equipment and techniques to search for survivors. The epicenter was 20 miles from the Turkish city of Gaziantep and was felt as far away as central Israel and Cairo. At least 30 aftershocks continued to hit the region, with the strongest one measuring 7.5. Following the widespread devastation of the massive quake, search and rescue operations are likely to go on for many more days, followed by a tragic and long recovery.